Alright guys, good day and welcome. We have this question from jamb 1987, question 27, where we are asked to simplify x squared minus y squared divided by 2x squared plus xy minus y squared. Now to solve this, we quickly write solution. We'll copy out our expression x squared minus y squared divided by 2x squared plus xy minus y squared. Now we know the following, that one, our numerator is a difference of two squares terms, while number two, our denominator is a factorizable term. Hence, we factorize our denominator. And in doing that, we know that the value for a in terms of our denominator is equal to plus 2. Our value for b is equal to plus 1, while our value for c is equal to minus 1. Now, being that our value for a is not equal to 1, we end up looking for the value for ac, and this gives us 2 times bracket open minus 1. This is equal to minus 2. Now we look for the factors of minus 2 that when added gives us our value for b, which is plus 1. These factors are plus 2 minus 1, because plus 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2, while plus 2 plus minus 1 gives us 1, which is our value for b. Now, having know this, we copy out our expression again. So we have x squared minus y squared divided by 2x squared plus xy minus y squared. Now this is equal to, being the fact that our numerator is the difference of two squares, we have bracket open, x minus y, bracket close, bracket open, x plus y, bracket close, divided by, we have 2x squared. Now the factors of our value for c, our value for ac, which is minus 2, come into play, and we have plus 2xy minus xy minus y squared. This in turn is equal to bracket open x minus y, bracket close, bracket open, x plus y, bracket close, all divided by. We factor out 2x from 2x squared plus 2xy. Factor out 2x, and we have bracket open, x plus y, bracket close. Now we have minus xy minus y squared. We factor out minus y, and we left with x plus y, bracket close. Continue with our solving. Continue right down here with our solving, and we have bracket open, x minus y, bracket close, bracket open, x plus y, bracket close, all divided by at our denominator we have bracket open, x plus y, bracket close, bracket open, 2x minus y, bracket close. So I have bracket open, x plus y at our numerator, cancel out bracket open, x plus y at our denominator. This leaves us with x minus y divided by 2x minus y as our final answer. Thank you.